Welcome to Easy Drawings with Mikey Vizan. This is how to draw a cartoon starfish. Starting out with a light sketch in pencil of the structure of a star. Doesn't have to be perfect. And so a starfish, well, as you can tell from the name, takes the shape of a star. So that's the first thing we'll do, is just outline a star. And now we'll draw his face. Give a little highlight and fill the eye in black. Same thing over here. And we'll give them little blushies. When you add blushies, things are cuter. And give him a little tongue here. I think I'm going to give him teeth. So I'll draw another loop here. And put one line down the middle to give him like Bugs Bunny style teeth. I don't know why. But so for the rest of his body, just going to draw lines on each of these fins. So about right here, draw a line that connects to the tip, and just do the same thing for each fin. Alright, almost done. Let's just add some dots on either side of the line. And in the comments, please let me know what kind of cartoon thing you'd like to see drawn next. Be sure to check out my channel for other stuff like animations, original music, and other stuff.